Welcome back to Photonic Luminescence. Yesterday I just received some interesting light bulbs. Today we're going to take a look. So let's get started. What you're looking here at are some OSRAM Krypton light bulbs. So I received these yesterday and we're just going to take a look at the 75 watt one, and we're going to see. This is going to be also a bit quick. So yeah, it's a OSRAM light bulb. Let me focus again, and it's a OSRAM Krypton 75 watt special matte pearl E27 bulb. Now this is all cool and I'm going to show you the shape, but something that caught my interest after actually receiving the bulbs is something that says here, hope it's clear, Krypton plus 8%. And if we take here a look, it shows us an image of standard and Krypton plus 8%. I guess they're referring to the brightness of the bulb. And now I'm not going to compare it to the Incandescent, that would be a comparison video, but yeah, we're just going to take a look at the bulb itself. Now I'm going to unbox it. And there we have it. It's brand new. I'm going to show you. OSRAM Krypton, Germany, 75 watts. So this is made in Germany. That is also quite nice to know. And this is the bulb. Of course, it has a very unusual shape from an incandescent light bulb, but we're going to test its wattage for sure. Okay, I'm going to switch the bulb on. There we go. It's actually quite bright. I like that a lot. It's quite nice really. And it uses 78 watts. So it's actually quite up to specs for an incandescent bulb. So I think that is a very nice detail. And now I'm just going to dim it a bit. Okay, nice dimming. For whatever reason, the dimmer I'm using doesn't work that well. Sometimes it has weird glitch out. But for high wattage incandescent bulb, it seems to work okay. So as you can see, it lights up very nicely, and I think that is very nice. I really like its light, to be honest. So yeah, to be honest, what captured my attention more rather about this bulb is actually rather simply the shape, and then the word Krypton. To be honest, I'm going to be honest, I don't know if Krypton has anything to do in this case with the Krypton gas. However, it is still being used. I have some theories as to what it could be, and the test I'm going to dedicate rather a entire video testing and showing how more efficient these really are. For now, I think it's a really high quality, nice light bulb that I just wanted to show you quickly. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'm going to answer it. And generally, if you have any questions about light bulb, you can also ask them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support my work on light bulbs. See you next video. Goodbye.